Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Asis, and today's topic we have aggregate function or numeric function. We have already covered string function, so if you haven't watched that series, you please see the playlist and you can see the string function. So what are the numeric function we have is like those function where we use all the aggregation. So let's see in Microsoft side. So see, these all the numeric function we have. We'll be going one by one according to the how you are understanding. So some of the function you might be knowing, sum or average or like max, means, like that. So we will start with sum. Okay, so this is sum. So this function is available on all SQL server. See, and you can use sum is like summation of your all the values. Okay, and now I will show you how we can use sum. Okay, in our employee table we have a column which is salary. Okay, salary is our numeric column. So here we can use our sum function. So how to use the sum function is like select sum and salary. Okay, from TBL and okay, see guys, this is sum. Okay, in the same way we can give commission. So commission. Okay, like that you can use sum function. Sum is like it is adding all the values what all are in your column. Okay, you don't have to manually add one by one or something like that. So this is sum. Next function we will go with minimum and maximum. Okay, so minimum and maximum, a very good function. You can see, so it is like if you need to find salary who has that minimum salary or minimum commission in your employee table, you can use that. So it is like minimum salary TPL employee. Okay, see, suppose you need to find like who has minimum salary or in employee table. So what you can do is TBL employee from salary in this. Okay, like this you can write your where clause also. So see, the salary, there are two guys who is having less like minimum salary, and the same way we can use max also. So max. Okay, and first we will see how much it is. So it is like 75,000. Okay, now you can see that who is having. So Jackson is having, he is a CEO and he is getting the maximum salary. We can go for commission also. Okay, so what is happening here, this is actually a sub query. Okay, but if you have seen the where clause we have already discussed. Okay, so in the where clause we can do this. Actually what it is happening here, if you see this query, so it is returning 1400. Copy and paste. Okay, so this will return the exact value. Oh sorry, it is commission I have kept here in salary, so it is not returning any row. Okay, no problem. This, so he is the guy who is getting the maximum commission. So in the subquery it is like this query run first, this will return 1400 and then it will return to the, but main our concern is on max or min. Okay, so if you say that max min, okay, so what is the maximum? 1400 and what is the minimum? 200 rupees. Okay, next function we have count. From the name only we can we can understand that count is like, you need to give star, or you can give a number also. Okay, so there are 12 employee. One more thing, in the count, if you write like employee ID, this will also work. Okay, but if you write commission, okay, and run, see only 4 returning. Why it is returning 4? Actually, if you see our employee table, there are only 4 not null value. Okay, see, so that's why this query is returning 4. Okay, what does count do? Count remove null values. Okay, then only it returns. Okay, now, so this is the today's class, guys. So we can summarize again. So first function we have sum. So if you add something like this, so this is sum, this is kind of sum we have, sum works like that. Next function we have mini, that is minimum. Okay, so we can find who is getting the minimum things or minimum number in our data. Okay, next function we have max. So max is the maximum number in our data. Okay, next we have count. So count will tell you how many number of rows are there, but if there is any, if you are using column, okay guys, you can use count with a star also and column also. Okay, so if you are giving column and there are null in the column, this will not count. Okay, so this is the class for today. Okay, and please share and subscribe and keep on watching my YouTube channel, so that you will be getting more topics. So you need to subscribe, so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. Okay, thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe.